Look up at the night sky. Thousands of stars scattered across the darkness. Beautiful, silent, distant. Now imagine zooming out, far beyond our solar system, beyond our galaxy. There are hundreds of billions of galaxies in the observable universe, each galaxy filled with hundreds of billions of stars. Around many of those stars orbit planets, some rocky, some warm, some possibly alive. By the laws of probability alone, life should be everywhere. Civilizations should rise. Technology should spread. Signals should travel across the stars. Entire galaxies could be filled with ancient, advanced societies. And yet, when we listen to the universe, we hear nothing. No signals, no probes, no alien cities lighting distant worlds. Just silence. Cold, endless silence. This mystery has a name: the Fermi Paradox. A simple question with terrifying implications. If the universe is so full of possibilities, where is everybody? In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a question during a casual lunch with colleagues. A question that would echo through science for decades. He looked at the numbers, the age of the universe, 13.8 billion years. Our galaxy alone, 100 billion stars. Many of those stars are older than our sun, which means intelligent civilizations could have appeared millions or even billions of years before us. Think about that. Human technology has existed for barely 100 years. In just a century, we went from the first radio signals to satellites, artificial intelligence, interplanetary probes. If a civilization had even 1 million years of technological progress, it could spread across the entire galaxy, colonizing star after star, building megastructures around suns, sending probes into every corner of space. And yet, our telescopes see nothing. Our radio receivers detect nothing. The galaxy appears empty, which creates a disturbing contradiction. Statistically, intelligent life should be common, but observationally, it appears we are alone. So something must be stopping civilizations, and that leads us to one of the darkest ideas in science. Imagine a long cosmic obstacle course, a series of steps that life must pass to become a spacefaring civilization. These steps might include the origin of life, the evolution of complex cells, the rise of intelligence, the development of technology. Each step is difficult, but one of them might be nearly impossible. Scientists call this obstacle the Great Filter. Somewhere in the journey from dead planet to galactic civilization, almost everyone fails. Maybe life rarely begins at all. Maybe complex life almost never evolves. Or maybe intelligent species tend to destroy themselves through war, through environmental collapse, through uncontrollable technology. If the Great Filter is behind us, then humanity is incredibly lucky. We have already passed the hardest step. But if the Great Filter is ahead of us, then our future may be short, because every civilization that reached our stage eventually vanished. Which raises an unsettling possibility. Maybe the universe is quiet because every intelligent species eventually destroys itself. But there is another idea, even darker, even more unsettling. It's called the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a vast, silent forest at night. Every civilization is a hunter, hiding among the trees. No one makes a sound. No one reveals their location, because in this forest, making noise could mean death. If a civilization detects another one, it faces a terrifying dilemma. Do you trust them, or do you eliminate them before they become a threat? Because in cosmic terms, even a peaceful civilization today could become dangerous tomorrow. Technology grows fast. A species that is weak now could become unstoppable in 1,000 years. And in the vast distances of space, you cannot negotiate quickly. Messages take decades, centuries, millennia. By the time you learn another civilization's intentions, it might already be too late. So the safest strategy becomes terrifyingly simple. Stay silent, hide your presence, and if you detect another civilization, destroy it before it discovers you. In this theory, the universe is not empty. It is quiet on purpose. Every civilization is hiding, listening, waiting, afraid to speak first. For decades, humanity has been searching the skies, listening for alien signals, projects scanning millions of stars, looking for a whisper, a pattern, a message, something that proves we are not alone. But so far, nothing, just cosmic static. Our radio signals have been leaking into space for over a century, a tiny bubble of human noise expanding into the galaxy, announcing our presence, broadcasting our location like a lighthouse in the dark. And sometimes scientists wonder, should we really be doing that? Because if the dark forest is real, then shouting into the void might not be wise. Somewhere out there, something could be listening, something older, something smarter, something that learned long ago. That silence is survival. Maybe we are the first civilization to rise, the pioneers of intelligence in a young universe, or maybe the galaxy is full of ancient civilizations, watching us quietly, waiting to see what we become, a friend, a rival, or a threat. But the most haunting possibility is this. Maybe the universe really is empty. Maybe billions of galaxies exist, and humanity is the only intelligence that ever looked up at the stars and wondered why. And that leaves us with a question more chilling than any alien invasion. What is more terrifying? A universe where we are not alone and something might be watching us from the dark. Or a universe where we are alone and all this cosmic vastness exists just for us. Because if we are truly alone, then the fate of intelligence in the universe rests entirely on us.